Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Morning Gardener's new gardening vehicle. For me, it's new. And you can see it's heavy duty. I can tow things with it. I think it was once in an accident. You can see right here, that's not right. Okay, there we go. It needs to be cleaned. Other than that, it rides really well. Some storage room is in back. It's a 5,000-pound vehicle, I think it is. And dirty windows, I don't mind. I can clean them. It's the Morning Gardener showing you that I'm going to have, that's the fuel that it uses, that this is definitely going to be a gardening vehicle that can get the job done. All right, this is the Morning Gardener.